Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty products to give you honest, expert insights. Today, let's talk about something that every beauty enthusiast needs in their makeup bag, a lip liner that promises long-lasting color and definition. We're reviewing the Revlon ColorStay Lip Liner in 640 Raisin. This lip liner is designed to provide rich, long-wearing color, prevent feathering, and even comes with a built-in sharpener for convenience. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Revlon ColorStay Lip Liner offers a few key features that make it stand out. It's meant to deliver bold, rich color while helping your lipstick last longer. What's more, the liner promises to prevent bleeding and feathering, which can be a deal breaker when you're looking for a smooth, flawless finish. And with its built-in sharpener, it eliminates the need to carry around extra tools. Plus, it's available in 14 shades, so there's something for everyone. When I first tested this lip liner, I was impressed by the smooth, creamy texture. The application is easy, and the liner glides effortlessly across the lips without any tugging or dragging. The 640 Raisin shade is a lovely, rich berry tone that works beautifully for both everyday wear and a more dramatic evening look. As for longevity, I put it to the test over several hours. It held up pretty well, and my lipstick didn't start to feather or bleed, even after a meal and a drink. Speaking of the built-in sharpener, I must say it's a small but incredibly handy feature. It saves you from having to dig around for a separate sharpener, which is a bonus, especially when you're on the go. However, I did find that the sharpener didn't always give me the perfect, ultra-precise point every time. It's convenient, but not a game changer in that regard. Now let's talk about the performance. This lip liner really does stay in place. Revlon claims it lasts up to 8 hours, and while I didn't test it for quite that long, it definitely held strong for several hours without the need for touch-ups. The color didn't fade, and my lipstick stayed put. This makes it a great option for those of us who want a no-fuss lip look that lasts. As for the price point, I believe this lip liner offers good value for money. It's not the cheapest on the market, but considering its longevity, smooth application, and the added sharpener, it's worth the investment. Plus, it's a drugstore product, so it's much more affordable than some high-end options. If you're looking for a good alternative, there are a few other affordable lip liners out there, like NYX or Maybelline, that also offer smooth application and long-lasting wear. However, if you want the added bonus of the built-in sharpener and a well-known, trusted brand like Revlon, this is definitely a solid choice. In terms of build quality, the packaging is standard for a pencil-style liner. It's lightweight and functional, but nothing particularly extravagant. The built-in sharpener is a nice touch, and the liner itself is sturdy enough to withstand being tossed into your bag. I haven't had any direct interactions with Revlon's customer support, but the brand is well known for reliable customer service and responsiveness. If you have any issues, you can expect a reasonable level of support. Wrapping it up, the Revlon ColorStay Lip Liner in 640 Raisin is a solid choice for anyone looking for long-lasting, defined lips. It's smooth, easy to apply, and helps prevent feathering, making it a reliable option for everyday use or special occasions. The built-in sharpener is a nice touch, but it could use a little refinement for precision. Overall, it delivers on its promises and offers good value for money. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've tried this lip liner or any other shade, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Stay beautiful inside and out, and I'll see you next time on Beautyistic.